In today's tutorial, we're creating a dreamy mermaid-themed pool party invite with an ethereal vibe, using Pixlr Express. Start by opening a blank canvas. Add a frame, resize it to fit the canvas, and upload your background image. Now, create a few more frames. Shape and position them however you like. Drop your images into each frame and feel free to resize them. Quick tip: images inside frames keep their quality even when resized. Next, add a shape as a background for your title text. Pick a color that fits your design. Then type in your party title. Choose a serif font to match the ethereal style. Now it's time to decorate. Add elements and cutouts like pearls, seashells, anything that brings your design to life. Give your title some sparkle. Adjust the color and try out a few text effects. To take it even further, upload a galaxy or star image in a new frame on top. Set the blend mode to overlay for that soft, magical glow. Use a light brush on a new layer to add dreamy highlights. For the final touch, add a grainy gradient sticker to the bottom right of your design. Set the blend mode to multiply and lower the opacity for a soft, subtle color overlay that adds depth. And you're done! Your ethereal mermaid pool party invite is ready to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative tips. See you in the next one.